Hello, I'm Miguel from Delphi, and in this video we are going to show you how the dynamic calibration of a front radar is performed. Follow me. Once the error code is verified, we can proceed with the dynamic calibration of the radar. Following the manufacturer's instructions, we must continue with a second vehicle for a while, until the calibration begins. Once the protocols for distance, speed, etc. are met, calibration begins, which we can then check the status at any given time, through the screen of our DS480 Bluetech device. Let's see how the percentage increases in the progress bar. When the process and calibration are completely finished, it will reach 100%, go back to 0%, and we can see a message of function successfully completed on our screen. Once complete, we produce the calibration report, check for any error codes, and remove them if necessary. Now you can return the vehicle to the customer, with the guarantee that the process has been carried out correctly, exactly as indicated by the manufacturer. Thanks for watching. For more videos, follow us on social media or visit the Masters of Motion online hub. And for more expert-led courses, check out the Delphi Academy. See you soon.